Hello, ma'am. We keep hearing about Lightfare. How does it benefit a normal human being and also helps in overcoming challenges?
Thank you, Vivek, for posting this question. So, Mindscan has been hosting light fairs out there in the world for several years now. Light fairs are basically aimed in helping human consciousness or human beings rather to overcome challenges, to come out of restrictive behavioral patterns, and also to help in resolving certain states of emotions, genetic impressions, and helping their lives to transform. Like for example, when we work with past life regression and working on the relationships, so we work across with the soul contracts that may be revealing as difficulties. Like when individuals face one another, they are going through emotional states that may be lower vibrationals, connecting with anger, vengeance, negativity, toxicity, such aspects, or sadness, feeling of fear. So such things will carry contracts within the consciousness or the mindsets of individuals. This is just an example. Likewise, when we work across with the solutions for that, it also shows certain times related to their ancestral patterns that may be part of this, energies of difficulties. So, the heart activation, which is primordial connected with the light fairs, it activates the heart consciousness of the individuals, helping them to truly face the inner reality. And when they go through the understanding of their inner level, they know how much of grip of difficulty they are, like 20%, 70%, 50% or more. And they begin to understand their circumstances, the way they might have behaved or understood about various aspects, and how it is stored in their mind. And they also get to know at times about how these patterns are genetically transported from the space of their ancestors. And the whole process of the light fairs is connected to bringing resolutions to this. So, where a group of individuals joins us in the healing space, when the heart is activated under the guidances of ascended masters and their lessons specific to their area, they begin to welcome the lights into their consciousness, into their aura, into their mind, into their chakras, helping them to eliminate it, because the ascended masters ray lights carry very high frequencies of wisdom and the strength, which helps in overcoming the pattern. So these are connected with the light fairs, are all about helping individuals to transcend, evolve, rise above emotional states and reach to the higher consciousness of five-dimensional reality, which is about forgiveness, unconditional love, compassion, power to let go, and operating from the higher wisdom of oneness and the lights. So, thank you.